Hello, children. How are you? I hope you are well at home. See, I'll continue today class Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Last class I said Goldilocks, she was a little beautiful girl and she lived in one of the village. It is near to the forest. One day that girl went to the forest. So near the forest, she saw one of the beautiful house and she entered into that. Porridge in the three bowls. One of the bowl is it's a too hot, and one more bowl is it's too cold, and one more bowl is it's very tasted. She ate up all. Again she went to the living room. She sat one of the chair to take rest. It is very big, and one more chair also it is big, and the third chair it is small. So she sat on that chair. It can broken into pieces. But she want to take a rest. She went into the bedroom. What will happen in the bedroom? Look at here. I'll read from here. Then listen carefully. Later I will explain. She lay down on the first bed. This bed is too hard, she said. So she lay down on the second bed. This bed is hard too, she said. Then she lay down on the third bed. It was just right. Goldilocks fell asleep. While she was sleeping, the three bears came home. They went to the kitchen first. Someone has been eating my porridge, growled Papa Bear. Someone has been eating my porridge too, scowled Mama Bear. Someone has eaten up all my porridge, cried Baby Bear. Someone has been sitting in my chair, growled Papa Bear. Someone has been sitting in my chair too, scowled Mama Bear. Someone has broken my chair into pieces, cried Baby Bear. They looked around, then they went to the bedroom. Someone has been sleeping in my bed, growled Papa Bear. Someone has been sleeping in my bed too, scowled Mama Bear. Someone has been sleeping in my bed, and she is still there, cried Baby Bear. Just then, Goldilocks woke up and saw the three bears. She screamed out of bed and ran out of the house quickly. She ran through the forest and went back to her house. She never returned to the home of the three bears. So I'll explain. So when she wanted to take a rest, she went to the bedroom. What is bedroom? Where we take the rest or where we sleep at night. That is the bedroom. She lay down on the first. When she was lay down on the first bed, it was too hot to her. Even second bed also is too hard to her. So she went to the third bed. It was just right to her. So she fell asleep. While she was sleeping, the three bears came home. Which one the three bears? Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and the Baby Bear. You see, this is the Papa Bear, this is the Mama Bear, and this is the Baby Bear. So the three bears also they came from the walking and they went to the kitchen first. The Papa Bear said groudly means angry voicely, because someone has touched his porridge. So he was in angrily, someone has been eating my porridge, like he said. Even Mama Bear also, she said in angry voice, someone has been eating my porridge too, like the third bear, baby bear, it is crying. It was crying. Why? Because someone has eaten up all its porridge. Who ate? The Goldilocks ate? No. Yes. Again they went to the living room. They checked. The Papa Bear said, yes, someone has been sitting on my chair. Like he said. Even Mama Bear also said like that. But the baby bear, it is crying. Why? His chair was broken into pieces. Who broken like that? The Goldilocks. Again they looked around. They went to the bedroom. Someone has been sleeping in my bed, like said the Papa Bear. Even Mama Bear also said same like that. But the baby bear, it is crying. Why? Because someone has been sleeping in its bed and she is still there. Who is that? That Goldilocks. Just then, when they came near the bed, she woke up. Who woke up? Goldilocks woke up and she saw the three bears also. She screamed. Screamed means feared. She cried loudly and she went out of the bed and ran out of the house quickly. Quickly means fastly. She ran out of and loudly she cried. She ran through the forest and went back to her house. So she returned to her house and she never came back to the three bears house. So she is always remembering that the house and the porridge and the bed also and even the three bears also. But she never came to that house. Okay, children, I hope understand this lesson. Next class I will give the notes. You can complete the notes. Okay, so the here answer. Goldilocks are dash bowls of porridge, 2, 3 or 4. 3 balls. Goldilocks sat on the dash chair, smallest, biggest, hardest. The biggest chair. Goldilocks liked the dash bed. Papa bears, Mama bears, or baby bears? Which one she liked? Baby bears. When Goldilocks saw three bears, she dashed and ran out of the room. She screamed. Scream means she getting fear. Okay, who was Goldilocks? One of the little girl. One of the little girl. Why did not she like the porridge of the first and second bowls? Because the first bowl was too hot and the second bowl was too cold. What happened to the small chair when she sat on it? It broken into pieces. What did the baby bear say when he saw Goldilocks sleeping? The baby bear said, someone has been sleeping on my bed. She is still there, like said the baby bear. What did Goldilocks do when she saw the three bears in the house? She screamed and out of the bed and ran out of the house. Okay, children. Here given opposites. So hot, cold, big, small, like that. You have to fill the opposite words in the boxes. She is not rich. So rich opposite, she is poor. Neha is not tall. So she is small. Aman's grandfather is old and his hair is white. When he was young, his hair was black. Her clothes are not clean. So, how it is? They are dirty. Many shops are closed today. They are not opened. So, write the opposites going, coming, quickly, slowly, never, ever. Question, answer. Throw, take. Throw, take. Okay, children, I understand this lesson. Next class, I'll give the notes. You can complete it and make the PDF and send to my number. Okay, bye children.